Sometimes you need to first of all understand how YouTube decide what video to show a viewer, so that you'll be able to create a working strategy that will lead to YouTube recommending your videos, thereby making it easier for you to grow your channel faster here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down and teaching you guys on how the YouTube algorithm work, so that you guys will be able to use it to your advantage. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected. So I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Before we go into much detail, let's start with what is the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm has to do with how YouTube decide what video to show a viewer depending on their watch history or the things that they normally search on YouTube from time to time. And this information is now used to showcase a bunch of videos to that specific viewer, leading to them always clicking on those videos, because those videos will always be sparking their interest. So we can therefore say that the YouTube algorithm is basically about the viewer and their behavior, because YouTube, their number one goal is to always match the right video to the right viewer, because this is actually important to YouTube, so that they will be able to increase their revenue, because this way they will be able to keep a lot of people on their YouTube platform. Every viewer always have a different experience here on YouTube, because the YouTube home feed is actually customized based on the viewer behavior and the things that they search for recently here on YouTube. So once one person is to enter their YouTube app, what they are going to see in their home feed is always going to be different from what another person is going to see on their home feed, because everybody, they have different behavior when they are viewing content on YouTube, and YouTube actually take account of that. Another thing that YouTube also look into before pushing videos, or rather pulling in videos for viewers to watch, is also the audience retention of videos, because YouTube actually want to keep a lot of people on their platform. So if your audience retention on your video is actually low, they won't be recommending your video much, because they know that a lot of people, they watch your video halfway. But if they see that your audience retention is actually high, they are going to be recommending your video much more further to a lot of people. Another thing that YouTube also love is engagement. So if your video is getting a lot of engagement, like likes, comments, subscribers are subscribing to your channel through your videos and stuff like that, YouTube is actually going to see that, okay, your videos are engaging, and then they are going to pick it out and start pushing it to a lot of people. Then another thing to also keep in mind is actually like people clicking on your video to watch, because if YouTube see that your video is engaging and it puts it to let me say 500 people, and then out of that 500 people, 300 people click on that video to watch, that means that, okay, your video is actually drawing, or rather sparking people interest. So YouTube is going to push it to much more people after running that test. But if YouTube is to push your video to 500 more people, and just like 50 people click to watch, that means that, okay, your video is not sparking people's interest, then they will stop pushing out your video. So these are things that YouTube actually look out before pushing out videos to much more people to watch here on YouTube. So like I said earlier, the YouTube algorithm is all about the viewer and their behavior, because the more YouTube can actually keep viewers here on YouTube engaged and enjoying a lot of videos, is the more ads they can show to those viewers, which means more money for YouTube. So that's just how it works. So that's why it's always important that when you are doing your video, sometimes you have to tell your viewers to drop a comment, they should ask questions, they should smash the like button, they should subscribe and stuff like that, because telling your viewers to do that can actually help your viewers to also do that and engage on your videos, so that YouTube will be able to pick your videos easily and then push it out to much more people here on YouTube. And one more thing that I would like to say is that at the beginning of your YouTube journey, it might actually be hard to get engagement, because in the beginning of your YouTube journey, you don't have a lot of returning viewers, and also you don't have a lot of subscribers on your channel. So that's going to be leading to low views, because you don't have a lot of people engaging on your videos. But trust me, if you keep uploading on a steady basis, like maybe daily or 3 videos a week, one way or another, you are going to have a lot of returning viewers and subscribers in the future on your YouTube channel, and that is actually going to lead to your videos getting higher views and being ranked higher here on YouTube. So all you have to do is just keep creating content and uploading them on YouTube, because me myself right now, I'm having 300 subscribers, but it was not like this in the beginning. And also I'm having higher views. I have a video with about 7,000 views now on my channel, but it was not like this in the beginning. In the beginning, I was having like 50 views, 17 views, but you can see I keep uploading on a daily basis, and now I'm having 300 subscribers. And I think that, sooner or later I might have maybe 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, and stuff like that. So if you are watching this video right now, you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will advise that you smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because like I said in the beginning of this video, I post a lot of YouTube tips, and I also post a lot of tutorials here on my channel, so you can help me on my YouTube growth journey. Another thing that the YouTube algorithm looks at to determine how much is going to push your video out there for a lot of people to watch is your click-through rate, also known as the CTR. So this have to do with how often people click on your video when they see it on their YouTube feed. So the more people are clicking on your videos when they see it, is the more your click-through rate is going to be increasing. And the more your click-through rate is increasing, is the more YouTube will be pushing your videos out there for a much more amount of people to consume your videos. So this is actually important, and that's why I normally advise a lot of YouTubers to create good looking thumbnails and use engaging and catchy titles, because when you master this ability, it's going to make your videos like gold here on YouTube, because the YouTube algorithm is always going to be picking your videos and pushing it out there, because you can see that okay, your video have a click-through rate that is very high. So when it comes to click-through rate, if you are having a click-through rate that is 4% or above, that's actually a good click-through rate. But if you are having a click-through rate that is just 2% or below, that means that your video is not performing well. So you have to check on your video title and change it if possible, and also check on your thumbnail and also change it if possible. And I can guarantee you for a fact that if you do that, you might start seeing some better results here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos. You might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.